years before, I was talking about this 2012. I gave one of my important personal experience, which I wanted to remind to all of you. When I was doing my morning running, jogging, hundreds of times I felt my inner space being bumped into samadhi for no reason. Then suddenly I realized the center of the earth has certain pull on all objects towards its center, what we call gravity, power of gravity. Please understand, the subtle force of power of gravity is going to reduce by 2012. That subtle force, when it reduces, means literally you being pulled towards the center of the earth will be reduced. Please understand, even a small change in that force drastically releases you from millions of thoughts, because every thought is a mass. Please understand, I am leading you step by step to the higher and higher levels of truths. Your every thought has its own weight. When there is a reduced gravity, in your inner space the number of thoughts reduces. With less thought itself, you will be able to perform more actions. Less thought, less action is inertness. More thought, more action is restlessness. Less thought, more action is enlightenment. The possibility of functioning, performing more actions with less thoughts is happening naturally. Many of the mental patterns you have, engraved memories you have, samskaras you have. Engraved memories are what I call samskaras. Many of the mental patterns you have, thought patterns you have, are not required to run your life. You will be able to live, perform, achieve, create, do everything with less number of thoughts. Number of thoughts happening in your inner space is going to reduce automatically in this year. For example, for you to get up, go and have your dinner, come back and lie down in your bed. If it was taking 25 thoughts till last year, now the same actions can be performed just by 2 thoughts. Please understand, the time and the space in which the gravity pull is reduced on human beings, so that the human beings can function with less thoughts. The time has begun. 2 years before I started talking, in 2012, the space where human beings are going to weigh less, I tell you, maybe at least 1 or 2 microns, you all have reduced your weights. You can say 0.0001 gram. If we can measure the weight of the thoughts, we can find out every individual how much of weight you have lost. Time, when the gravity of planet Earth on you reducing has started. Please understand, 2012 has started. If you are interested in transformation, this year is celebration for you. If not, calamity for you. Because whether you want or not, the number of thoughts in your inner space is going to reduce this year.